Hi friends, my name is Mahesh and you are watching my art channel Artistic Nature. So in this video I am going to show you which blending tools I used for sketching and how to blend by using that tools. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So first of all I show you which blending tools I used for blending. So this is brush, then cotton tip, then blending stump, then tissue paper, then sponge, and last one is cloth. So as you can see I draw 6 circles. So let's start shading. So as you can see the result of different tools which I used for blending. For better understanding, I show you this picture. See, here I use the cotton tip as well as blending stump for blending from darker side to light side. See, here I use the brush and here I use the blending stump and cotton tip as well as sponge cloth, and for that I use the blending stump and cloth. For background I use the sponge. So friends, hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, then like, share and comment, and if you still have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe. So see you again in the next video. Till then, goodbye.